Tomorrow's as clear as it's going to get. Starting tomorrow night, that's when we get back into some higher winds, certainly than what we've seen recently, and more rain and a lot more snow. We're going to cover all that here over the next couple of minutes, but look at the amount of rain that we've seen over the last few days. I know in the valley it's underwhelming. About a quarter of an inch there in Sacramento, over an inch though for Marysville and for Oroville. But look at Blue Canyon, close to a foot of rain so far. This is just since Saturday morning. Fortunately for areas in Sierra, Nevada, Plumas County, Butte County, up towards Redding, we are seeing a little bit of a breather, but all of that rain does have a benefit. What's fallen in the Sierra is all running off and being captured by some of our biggest reservoirs. This is Lake Shasta, 61% of capacity as of this morning. Close to 40,000 cubic feet of water is flowing in every second. 1 cubic foot, about the size of an NBA basketball. So just shy of 40,000 basketball size worth of water every second is flowing into Shasta. Oroville, even more, 50,000 cubic feet of water per second. Those numbers are going to adjust a little bit as we go through the next couple of days, but yeah, all of that is certainly going to raise the capacity in our reservoirs, at least for the time being. Here's a look at the radar. The rain moving to the north, now stretched across Tehama County into Siskiyou County and stretching back through Humboldt and Mendocino County. As we go through the day tomorrow, that rain, it's going to stay to the north, which means the Sierra, it's going to be relatively clear. Actually, even a little bit of sunshine. Temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s for Truckee and South Lake Tahoe. Winds relatively light during the day, but then picking up later on in the evening. For the foothills, a lot of clouds to start, some clearing in the afternoon, but a dry day. Temperatures starting in the upper 40s, ending up in the mid 50s. The breeze light. Tomorrow's going to be the easiest day to get out and about in the foothills as well. And for the valley, we may start with some pockets of fog first thing, but we'll see some breaks in the clouds for the afternoon. High temperatures will be in the low 60s. Starting after sunset tomorrow, the wind is going to start to pick up, and it will get stronger as we go through midnight tomorrow. We're going to see waves of high winds from midnight tomorrow through late Thursday evening. Again, it's not going to be windy that entire stretch, but there is a high wind watch for the valley and for the lower foothills that goes from late Tuesday night through early Friday. But again, waves of this heavy wind, gusts reaching 40 to 60 miles per hour. I want to time out the first wave of this wind for you because tomorrow's the perfect day to get ready for everything. First thing in the morning, a little bit of a breeze. It'll be windy over the Sierra Crest, but no one's really up there. 6 o'clock Tuesday evening, a little bit of a breeze picking up through the valley, but gusts are still less than 20 miles per hour. Here's where we really get into it. Closer to midnight Tuesday and Wednesday, this is 3 a.m. The areas in white, that's where our model is picking up on wind gusts that may be over 50 miles per hour. So they're going to be somewhat widespread. Look at the numbers here. Stockton, a gust of 50 possible. Sonora, upper 50s possible there and into the foothills as well. Now, once the sun comes up on Wednesday, this round of wind is going to be backing off, and daylight hours will actually be relatively quiet, and there's going to be a lot of dry time too. But remember, we got more coming Wednesday night into Thursday. We'll talk more about the rain, the snow, and the 7-day forecast coming up in about 30 minutes.